Hello guys, welcome back to this U Assistant demo. And in this video, I'm going to show you an assistant called Quick UI. This Quick UI basically is an assistant which allows you to build your UBot Studio native interface very quickly. By native interface, I mean these UI commands which you drag and drop and then you give it a name and a variable, and this is the starting point of all our bots. This is where you begin your bot building. I'm going to create a user interface for an accounts creator bot. So let's say I need a couple of text boxes, then I need a password field, then another text box. Let us say I want a drop down for number of threads, then I'm going to add a checkbox. Then let's have a couple of list boxes and a create accounts button. A quick note on how this works. This is the user interface element we have created. This column is for the label of the UI element. Then I can give a variable name here. I don't have to add the hash or the pound symbol. Just a variable name will do. And in case of things like button and list boxes and drop downs, we also have an additional field here called value or define name. That means for drop downs and list boxes, those comma separated values can be added here. And in case of buttons, the variable field is ignored. And apart from the label, I can come here to the fourth column and give the define. I can add the name of the define, and it will be in this format: the name of the define and an opening and closing parens. So with that said, let us build this user interface. And I'm going to come here, I'm going to say project name, and this is going to be the variable is going to be project. This is going to be email ID. This is going to be password. Then we have another text box for entering the username, and this is going to be user. Then how about number of threads? This is a drop down, and so it can have a comma separated list: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we can have something like auto verify emails. Let's call the variable auto verify. This is a checkbox element. Then I can have a list of, you can choose a list of from a list of email providers, and email provider, and this can be, I don't know, Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo. Let's say these three. Then how about some social media sites to choose from for creating accounts? This is going to be sites or site, and I'm going to show you another option we have. I'm going to come here and choose this dialog box called add multi-line values. And I've added this feature here. Suppose I got a long list of values. You can enter one item per line: YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter. Alright, just these four, and you can see they all get added here: YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter. And then this is going to be a button which will create the accounts for us. doesn't have a variable name. We'll give it a defined name called create accounts, and let's not forget to include the parentheses. So that's it, and then all I need to do is I need to say generate UI code and then copy the code to clipboard. So I have my UBot Studio open here. All I need to do is come here and say paste, and my UI is ready. So I have my project name, email, password, username, threads, auto verify email checkbox, couple of list boxes here, and the create accounts button. And you can see I have all my variables here just the way I had named them.